I have really pretty cool thing. It's a wire EDM master ruler. So the way this works is it's got dimensions written on the face, and it's got an indicating face as well. So on the rails, it comes in a really cool little case, by the way. So on the rails of your wire EDM, there's some type of chucks or holding device. So I have an example here. So this is the rapid holding system chuck, which it has a couple counter bores. So you'll be able to mount this directly to your, usually they're 8mm holes on your wire EDM rails. So you would take this, put a couple bolts in, and you would mount this right on your rail system. But now you want to be able to know where your wire EDM, your offsets are in regards to your chuck. Because all of your stuff you can mount to this chuck. You just need to know where the chuck is. So obviously if it's on your rail system and your wire EDM is moving around in your tank, you have no way to reference that to the chuck. So we have a great solution. It's called the Wire EDM Master Ruler. So the way this works is this particular one has a 70mm pallet. Usually the 3R compatible stuff, we either have 54mm or 70mm pallets. So this one has a 70mm pallet. All that means it's a little bit bigger pallet. So we have a 70mm pallet mounted to this master ruler. So this sits on this, which is again on your wire EDM rail system. So this on your wire EDM rail system, you need to know where the center of this is because all the stuff fits on here. So it has a chuck on the back. Here is a little spigot. The spigots come in all different shapes and sizes. This one is a pretty tiny one, but it's for this ruler, which is a little bit shallower than most of our chucks, to sit on your wire EDM rail. So it's pretty simple. You just put this in the back. So you line that up and you give it a little turn. So once you give it a turn, these dogs go into the pallet to lock it in. And then we take the locking ring, the plastic ring, we push it in place and that locks it in. So I'll show you how.